Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at Ottawa OnRoad RC Racing. This is the last race of the 2024 season, and then it shuts down for summer. We'll be back in the fall, the end of 24 and the 2025. Gonna go in stock sedan. This is my Mugen MTC2R. Now, if you follow along the adventure with this car, at the end of the CTSR race, I was having brownout issues, really weird problems. It went into like a half power mode, couldn't figure it out. So I have since replaced the speed control. All right, I got a new ESC and the new agfrc servo in the sedan. I got to try it. This is just open practice. Just in case something catastrophic happens, we're going to get my first laps with the new ESC and the new servo. So here's the new electronic setup. We got a XR10 stock spec in blinky mode. I've got the same motor, the TuneSkin Racing 21.5. Same fan, same receiver, but the new agfrc A66 shorty servo. Really strong servo, like totally overkill, 60 kilograms, it's nuts. Boosted up to 7.4 volts right now. And hopefully that takes care of all the little weird brownout problems I was having at the CTSR race. So we'll see how we do today at the final of the Smiths Falls Ottawa OnRoad RC Racing. It's got a 4K drive frequency, blinky mode, 5% drag brake. We're gonna see how it turns out. Excuse me. Hi. Morning. Alright, I also have to just be careful because I have no parts. Oh wow, and that's the turn under the straight is quite so which way was this pulling? I forgot I haven't trimmed out yet with the new servo. Actually, it looks pretty straight. Whoa. My goodness, the lanes are tight today. It's this turn onto the straightaway is brutally short, but car feels good. Car feels good. It's got my new reliability fixes on for the grub screws. Whoa! I didn't sauce my tires. Man, I got the speed, that's for sure. I'm still geared up from CTSR. I might have to gear down a bit. Although this is at a 3.88 FDR. Brakes are good. Man, I should have had this ESC on all season long, but I didn't want to because this was in my, this is the XR10 stock spec that was in my two-wheel drive buggy. So there's now a new one of those. Give one more lap here and then just pull off for safety. Pull off? That was great. Great for first test. Okay. Hi. Taken out the just stock, put in a stock spec, which has 20 more amp rating and more features. It's in fixed timing mode because you're not allowed to run boost here, but I've also changed the servo. I was afraid it might be a servo issue, so we took out the old Savox, put in a brand new agfrc A66 shorty. Beautiful components. Ran my quals today. Qual 1, qual 2 went beautifully. Qual 3, the problem came back again. After I took a little knock, it went into that low power cut. It did not recover on its own. So we started looking over the car. Ended up being the fan. The fan, this is a 40 mil fan. Zombie's a good brand and everything, but it has a really thin plastic up at the top. It had cracked through this top and it was actually under hits. It was probably jamming the fan and causing a brownout. So I've since glued it back together, so the fan is okay, it's been repaired, but for this main, we've replaced the fan with a 30 mil Zombie. And the reason why you want to run a Zombie when it's this close to the motor is the Zombie motors do not get affected by the magnetic interference. We put in a Protec just testing it, and it was locking up, like it wouldn't spin that close to the motor. So we put in a zombie and it's working well. So we're gonna go out in this stock sedan. I am currently, I'd been doing so well in qual 1, qual 2, I actually sorted into the A, both of those races. I did a qualifications in the A group all day. I'm starting BQ, top of the B. So we'll see if we can win this race and get the bump to the A. That's the plan. See how we do, but the competition's pretty fierce. Everyone's really close to me as far as qualification times heading into this race. So, let's do it. Stock sedan time.
Why do I not have any?
Okay, I missed the start of that. We're starting in the B main with the sedan, the MTC2R, starting in BQ.
I told you, I'm going to volunteer people.
All right. Gotta try and keep this clean, stay out of these guys.
Good start from everyone. Over a little bit of contact in one of the barriers. Not affected them too much. Battle right now is between Pete and Clint. Pete's looking ready to race on Logan now.
All right. Had to replace the fan, see if it works. If not, I might thermal out or melt my motor down.
Clint makes it side by side. Logan gives him the space. So if he's quicker, you can take it. Oh, and Clint does a triple parallel, triple axle.
It's okay.
Alright, so got all that work to do all over again. You can chase down Logan. The leader still is John out front, the gray car. Second place is Logan. The gray car with the pink stripes on it. Third is Clint, the all green. And Steven Busser. All right.
After 1 minute 5 seconds, the top drivers are John in first place with a 39 lap 501.7 pace, followed by Logan in second place with a 37 lap 504.7 pace.
All right, it took a hit. It didn't brown out. That's a good sign.
508.1 pace.
He's got a little pair shape for Clint. He's got the back. Logan now for second place. Steven Busser third.
Followed by Pete in fifth place with a 34 lap 506.7 pace.
Man, this feels good. Whew. Good car.
Your leader is the all gray car in the infield. He's going straight in now. Logan, gray car with pink stripes.
After 2 minutes 10 seconds, the top drivers are John in first place with a 39 lap 503 flat
39.
pace, followed by Logan in second place with a 38 lap 507 flat pace, followed by Pete in third place.
On my best run of the whole day so far, if I can keep this up.
Followed by Crosser in fourth place with a 34 lap 12.3 pace, followed by Clint in fifth place with a 33 lap 509.2 pace.
John in a very comfortable lead right now. 5.9 seconds back to second place. That's Logan.
Well, it's only one mistake,
See what
5.9.
5.9 seconds looks like. John is just past Logan to put him on lockdown.
Thank you. All right, I'm a lap up
2 minutes left.
on everyone. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa. Fuck.
He's on his lid in front of the driver's stand.
After 3 minutes and 10 seconds, the top drivers are John King in first place with 39 lap 502.9
It's
pace.
team driving. I kind of like that. Watch straight. Inside of the straight. Inside of the straight.
Inside.
Thank you.
6.5 pace, followed by Crosser in fourth place with a 34 lap 503.2 pace, followed by Clint in fifth place with a 12 lap 152.4 pace.
You guys might have something. Here, you drive 2.5 minutes. I'm going to drive the last 2.5 minutes. That might be fun. A little pit lane for the trade-off. I like that.
1 minute left. 5 seconds left. After 4 minutes, 21 seconds, the top drivers are John Hay in first place with a 39 lap 501.8 pace, followed by Logan in second place with a 36 lap 501.1 pace, followed by Pete in third place with a 34 lap 501.2 pace, followed by Crosser in fourth place with a 34 lap 507.7 pace, followed by Clint in fifth place with a 12 lap 152.14 seconds left.
I feel like I need to slow down to cool it off, but I'm want to get my best run of the day. That's it. Whoa, sorry. what a run. Woo.
For a little bit. That was fun.
What a run, yeah. Got the bump to the A main. Here we go. Stock sedan A main. I just made the bump to the A main. This is the final A main of the 2023-2024 on-road season. We got the bump. We'll be starting from the back of the A with the Mugen Siki MTC2R. Straightaways close.
45 seconds to the start of the race.
All right. The running order will be Nathan on the pole, followed by Jake, Eddie, Mark, and John.
Oh, oh, big body tuck. Body tuck on Mark. Sorry, Mark.
Nathan in front, Eddie in second place, Jake in third. Mark and John all the way back down. Gap between Eddie and Nathan right now, 1.3 seconds. Gap between Eddie and Jake, 2 seconds.
That was a hard hit.
Your leader is the Oracle sponsored orange car right on the straightaway there now. Second place is Eddie, the all blue. Third is now all on the back of Eddie. That's Jake and
Top
orange car.
drivers are Nathan in first place with a 42 lap 507.2 pace, followed by Eddie in second place with a 40 lap
Jake with a really racing, I know you're right
followed
now.
by Jake in third place with a 40 lap 506.9 pace, followed by John Hay in fourth place with a 33 lap 503 flat pace, followed by Mark in fifth place with a 32 lap 506.8 pace.
Eddie, a little bit of breathing room.
All right, this is actually a battle with me and Mark now. Oh, oh, Mark spun out. Oh no.
Today. Much appreciated.
What? No, it wasn't.
Nathan out front, Eddie in second place now, 4.3 seconds back. Jake, third position, 3.1 seconds behind Eddie. John's next car down the road, 18 seconds in Mark.
42 lap 501.9 pace, followed by Eddie in second place with a 41 lap 505.6 pace, followed by Jake in third place with a 40 lap 505.7 pace, followed by John Hay in fourth place with a 35 lap 508 flat pace, followed by Mark in fifth place with a 13 lap 151.7 pace.
Nathan Glover with a fast lap of 6.39 is your leader. 2 minutes left in this one. Nathan has a 6-second lead already. Jake now only 2.6 seconds behind Eddie.
316 seconds. The top drivers are Nathan in first place with a 42 lap 501.7 pace, followed by Eddie in second place with a 41 lap 5.
Oh, now we got a race on our hands.
Jake in third place with a 40 lap
Whoa.
5.4 pace.
Eddie and the leader got tangled up in the movie. Eddie took the brunt of that one. Now he's got work to do against Jake in
Place
second.
with a 13 lap 151.7 pace.
He's in 7.8 seconds ahead of Jake now. Eddie only 1.9 seconds behind him.
1 minute left. Yeah. 45 seconds left.
Eddie starting to look up ground on Jake. He took 4/10 out of him last night.
Nathan in first place with a 42 lap 506.5 pace, followed by Jake in second 30 seconds left 502.5 pace, followed by Eddie in third place with a 40 lap 504 lap pace, followed by John Kay in fourth place with a 35 lap 504.1 pace, followed by Mark in fifth place with a 13 lap 1 pace.
Oh, just couldn't get out of the way at that kind of speed. Man, the car's taking some gnarly hits and holding together. That's good.
Race left on the track. Orange car and the blue car.
John Kay done.
All right.
Eddie done.
They come across the line.
Nathan done.
Everybody's done.
All drivers have finished.
Oh, man. Oh, sorry for the contact, guys.
Get as many hands as possible helping us to tear this thing down so we can all get home at a reasonable time. Thank you so much for coming out this year.
Where'd my car go? Temp it, temp it. Yeah. I need. Do you have a temp gun?
No, I don't. Where's your temp?
It's a battery. All right, that's stock sedan. Finished the A main. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you're new on here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. That was a fourth place finish in the A because Mark didn't finish, so he got fifth. I finished fourth. All right, guys, thanks for watching.